Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shraddha, and in this video I also came up with new opportunity, new internship. So without wasting time, let's just start the video. Today I am talking about a summer research fellowship program in Bangalore. If you are someone who is looking for opportunities specifically in Bangalore, or if you are someone who is already studying in Bangalore, this would be a really great opportunity for you. So, JNCASR Summer Research Fellowship Program, short form is SRFE 2020-26. This is like the fully funded opportunity. You can't call it like fully funded, but this is a funded research opportunity and research internship in Bangalore, offered by Jawaharlal Nehru Center for Advanced Scientific Research. Short form is JNCASR Bangalore. Duration of the internship is 2 months, open to science and engineering UG and PG students. The you will be placed in the different labs under the different professors or scientists at this institute. Selection is on merit basis, so please keep this in mind. So this will be little bit competitive because they are considering the merits. Research areas that they have mentioned on the website, you can go and check out as well: life sciences, chemical biology, physical sciences, material science, engineering sciences. So there would be also more, you can go and check out according to your eligibility, but these I have taken out. Eligibility, let's just talk about eligibility. They have mentioned minimum 65% marks in the 10th, 12th and current degree. So you should keep this thing in mind. The specific year and the course eligibility changes according to discipline. So it's always nice to go and check the website before applying. Must be enrolled in UG or PG program. Only students, PhD students are not eligible. So if you're someone who is pursuing PhD, this is not for you. Let's talk about important part: funding and benefits. You will get monthly stipend of 10,000 Indian rupees, as well as train fare, which is like second class sleeper shortest route, which is obvious. Hands-on research with Gen CASR scientists. Like this is a premier institute, so you will get opportunity to work under the different scientists according to your discipline. Applications and document, you will submit online application. Also, very important, you will need a referee recommendation letter, like anybody from your university, your professor or your institute from, or your supervisor. You will need a recommendation letter for this, and unfortunately you will have to pay application fee of 500 rupees, which is kind of sad, but if you want to apply, we don't have any other option, you have to pay this application fee. And very important, application window, like what is the timeline. They have started the taking application from 22nd of December 2020-25, and the deadline for the application is 31st of January 2026. So you still have a lot of time. So remember, the deadline is 31st of January. I think this is a really good opportunity for anybody who is specifically looking to work under a scientist or get that laboratory experience at the good institute, premier institute, also getting some monthly stipend, which in the Bangalore city, I don't think there is anything better than this opportunity. So I will give the link for the application and website for this conference in the description below. So you go and check out all the details, very specifically in details, because in the short video I must have not mention all the things which are important for your application, and it can change from person to person, from discipline to discipline. So I would highly suggest you to go to the website, check the proper website according to you, and then start preparing your application, and then start submitting your application. Take good time, work on your application, and then fill the application. And don't forget to put your thoughts or your comments or questions in the video. If I get the get the good answers for that, I would highly reply to your comments. And if you're someone who is planning to apply, I wish you very very good luck. I hope you get selected, and I will come up with more such videos, opportunities or information in future. So don't forget to subscribe, and see you in next video.